Hello students, let us continue the session on fractions. We will be completing the exercise. Only few of the questions are left out. Question number 3. Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? When the question is related to together, we need to add. So this is a question clearly on addition. So directly I'll write the fraction of wall painted by Shubham and Madhavi is 2 by 3 should be added to 1 by 3. If you observe the denominators, they are the same. So the LCM will be 3. So 2 should be added to 1. We get 3 upon 3. This is equal to 1. It means that one full wall is painted by both of them together. Question number 4. We need to fill in the blank. Let me take the first one. Here 7 by 10 and a box, their difference is given equal to 1 by 10. We need to find out the missing number over here. This missing number would be equal to 7 by 10 minus 3 upon 10. We need to subtract this 3 by 10 from 10 by 7 by 10, then we'll be getting this blank. The missing fraction will be 10 is the LCM, so 7 should be taken and 3 should be considered. 7 minus 3 will be equal to 4, so we get it as 4 upon 10. This can be divided by 2 in both numerator and denominator to make it as a simplest form. We get it as 2 upon 5. So first one I have solved it. Let me solve one more. This time I would like to solve the fifth one, and second and third you can do on your own. Yes, fifth one. This missing fraction will be equal to 12 upon 27 minus 5 upon 27. The LCM is 27, so 12 minus 5 has to be done. 12 minus 5 is 7. We get it as 7 upon 27. Further, we cannot simplify. This is the simplest form. So I have answered A and D. I want you to solve this B and C. If you solve B, you must be getting the answer as 8 by 21. If you solve C, you'll get the answer as 1. You can kindly check it. Question number 5. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Here, the fraction of basket of oranges given is 5 by 7. The fraction of basket as a whole, it can be considered as 1. So we can subtract this 5 by 7 from 1 to find out the remaining. So let's write that in statements. Fraction of basket of oranges is 5 upon 7. Now I am making important statement. Fraction of basket as a whole can be taken as 1. This statement is very important. Therefore, fraction of basket of oranges left will be equal to 1 minus 5 upon 7. Here, the LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. So 1 has to be multiplied by 7 minus 1 is multiplied by 5. We will be getting 2 upon 7. So the required fraction is 2 upon 7. Now we have exercise 7.6. In 7.6 there are few questions. Let's take up the first one to solve. Alphabets 1 to N are the questions here. Randomly, let's solve few of the questions. To begin with, I'll start with question number A. We have to add 2 by 3 to 1 by 7. If you observe the denominators 3 and 7, they are the different numbers. When different denominators are there, we can take their LCM. LCM will be 21. When 21 is the LCM, this 2 should be multiplied with 7 to make this denominator as 21. So we'll multiply with 7 plus 1 by 7. This 7, if you multiply with 3, we get 21. So 1 has to be multiplied by 3. Here it becomes 14 plus 3 divided by 21. This will be equal to 17 upon 21. For the first one, the answer is 17 upon 21. Let me take, for instance, E. 2 by 5 added to 1 by 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. So 2 should be multiplied with the number. 1 also should be multiplied with the number. Which number? To identify the number, we need to see the denominator. To make LCM as the denominator, this has to be multiplied by 6. So this should be multiplied by 6. Same way, for the fraction 1 by 6, if you multiply 5 to both numerator and denominator, the denominator will be having LCM. So 2 is multiplied by 6, 1 is multiplied by 5, we get 12 added to 5 by 30, we get the numerator as 17 and the denominator as 30. Now in this row I'll be solving two of the questions. One is question G, other is question I. Here certain symbols are missed out. It's not printed properly. This, you please take it as minus, and this symbol also you take it as minus. So clearly these two questions are related to subtraction. Now let me take G. It's 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. If you look at the denominators, they are again different. It's 12 is the LCM. So 3 has to be multiplied by 3 and 1 to be multiplied by 4. We get 9 minus 4 upon 12, which is 5 by 12. Now in I, we have got three different numbers, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. These are the numbers. When we take the LCM of these three numbers, the LCM is 12. Since 12 is there in the denominator, to make these denominators as 12, we need to multiply 4 for the first one, 3 for the second, and 6 for the third. So we'll be getting 2 times 4 plus 3 times 3 plus 1 times 6. On simplification, this becomes 8 plus 9 plus 6 upon 12. This will be 23 upon 12. And in the next row, I'll be taking one of the question here. These two, again, the symbols are missing. You can change it as minus over there. Let me take L. In the L, they have given in terms of a mixed fraction 4 2 by 3 added to 3 1 by 4. The first thing what you have to do is you have to make them as improper fraction, or else you can take them separately. This will become 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then the remaining fractions can be added. That's another method. Okay, this can be written as 4 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 plus 1 by 4. So 7 to be added to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. This can be simplified. 7 plus, here the LCM is 12. If 12 is the LCM, this 2 should be multiplied by 4 and 1 to be multiplied by 3. This will be 8 plus 3, 11. So we get it as 7 plus 11 by 12. Now you take the LCM. LCM is 12. So 7 multiplied to 12 is 84 plus 11. We get it as 95 by 12. This is one method. The another method could be express these two in a improper fraction. Let me tell it here. If you express this 4 2 by 3 in a improper fraction, what will be that? It will be 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14 by 3 plus 13 by 4. The LCM of these two numbers is 12. So 14 to be multiplied by 4 plus 13 is multiplied by 3. This will become 56 added to 39 divided by 12. 56 plus 39 is 95. So we get as 95 by 12. So in either of the methods you can solve. Question number 2. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita bought 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of ribbon they bought together? So total length of the ribbon bought by Sarita and Lalita together is 2 by 3 should be added to 3 by 4. The LCM is 12. So I have made a mistake here. This is 2 by 5. LCM will not be 12. LCM will be 20. If 20 is the LCM, this 3 to be multiplied by 4 and 3 to be 2 to be multiplied by 4 and 3 to be multiplied by 5. So we get it as 8 plus 15 upon 20. We get it as 23 upon 20 meters. Therefore, the required length is 23 by 20 meters. Question number 3. Naina was given 1.5 piece of cake. Najma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total cake was given to both of them. Total amount of cake given to both of them is the sum of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. As we had solved in another question, this can be written as 1 plus half. This can be written as 1 plus 1 by 3. Together it is 2 added to 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. LCM of these two numbers is 6. So 2 plus, this should be multiplied by 3, it becomes 3. This should be multiplied by 2, it becomes 2. 2 plus 5 by 6. Now you can write this as 5 by 6 along with a 2. This is the required fraction which was given to both of them. This is again finding the missing box. This missing fraction, the first one, will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. The LCM is 8. So this will be 2 added to 5. We get it as 7 by 8. These two you can try. If you solve the second one, see that you get the answer as 7 by 10. If you solve the third one, you see that you get the answer as 1 by 3. Question number 5, complete the addition and subtraction box. If you go towards the rows, it's addition. If you go towards bottom, it is a subtraction. I'll be telling first in that addition row wise. First row. What is the first row? It is 2 by 3 and 4 by 3 added together. 3 is the LCM, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 3. If you further simplify, we get it as 2. So here the answer is 2. In the second row, we have 1 by 3 to be added to 2 by 3. LCM is 3 again. 1 added to 2 will be 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Now it's the subtraction towards the column. First column, we have 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. The LCM is 3. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 1 upon 3 will be the answer. For the second column, it is 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 is the LCM. 4 minus 2 will be 1. We get it as, 4 minus 2 will be 2. We get it as 2 by 3. Here it is 2 by 3. And the third column, we have 2 minus 1, which will be 1. Hence, we have found the missing numbers here. This is the blank we have found. This one, and this one. So B, you can try. It won't be that difficult. Question number 6. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One of the pieces 1 by 4 meters. Find the length of the other. This 1 by 4 meter is one of the piece. Another piece length, if you take it as x, together it is 7 by 8. So we need to find out the length of another piece. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 will give the length of the other piece. Here the LCM is 8. So 7 minus 1 to be multiplied by 2. We get it as 5 by 8. So another length is 5 by 8 meters. Therefore, length of other piece is 5 by 8 meters. Now the next question, question number 7. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So total distance is given as 9 by 10 kilometer. If you subtract the distance traveled by the bus, you will be getting the distance traveled by walk. So distance traveled by walk will be equal to total distance, which is 9 by 10 kilometers, minus the distance traveled by bus. Here the LCM is 10. So 9 minus 1 to be multiplied by 5. We get it as 4 by 10 kilometers. This can be further simplified to make a simplest form. It becomes 2 by 5 kilometers. Question number 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full. Samuel's shelf is 2 by 5/5 full. Whose shelf is more full by what fraction? We need to compare the fractions here. So comparing 5 by 6 and 2 by 5 to be done, if I find the LCM of the denominator 6 and 5, we get it as 30. So this 5 by 6 is a number same as 5 by 6 multiplied to 5 and divided by 5, 25 by 30. And this number 2 by 5 is same as 2 by 5 multiplied to 6 by 6. We get it as 12 upon 30. If you compare this, 25 is larger than 12. Therefore, 5 by 6 is larger compared to 2 by 5. Since they asked by what fraction, we have to subtract this 2 by 5 from 5 by 6. The LCM is 30. So 25 minus 12, which is 13 by 30. This is a fraction. So we can say that 13 by 30th fraction is more full of Asha's shelf. Now we have last question. Jaydev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? Again, it's a comparison. First, let's write this in an improper fraction. This will be 11 by 5. Now we have to compare 11 by 5 and 7 by 4. If you take the LCM of the denominators 20, or else we can follow another method. 11 by 5 and 7 by 4, you do cross multiplication. We get it as 44 and this is 35. So clearly 44 is greater. So 11 by 5 is greater than 7 by 4. This is the first part. Now to solve the second part, we have to find the difference. 11 by 5 minus 7 by 4. LCM to be taken, it's 20. So we get 44 minus 35, which is 9 by 20. Therefore, we can say that Rahul takes 9 upon 20 minutes less to walk across the school ground. With this question, we have completed all the exercise questions of the chapter fraction. In the next session, we shall do revision of all the chapters right from chapter number 1 onwards, I'll be making use of NCRT exemplar book, wherein the first we have number system. It is a combination of the three chapters: natural numbers, whole numbers, and playing with the numbers. Let's take up the number system in the next session. Thank you.